Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be going over scientific notation. So what is scientific notation? Scientific notation is simply a way of writing really large numbers or really small numbers in a compact form. So we need to know how to be able to convert from standard form to scientific notation and scientific notation to standard form. So when we convert from standard to scientific, we move the decimal so there is only one non-zero digit in front, and we count the places you moved. This becomes your exponent. So say down here we have 65,000. For 65,000, the decimal is right over here. So we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places over to the left. And then our scientific notation is going to be 6.5 times 10 to the 4. Let's try the example right below it. We have 0.00089. To convert this to scientific notation, we move the decimal to the right now since it's really small. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our scientific notation is going to be 8.9 times 10 to the negative 4 since we moved it to the right. So that negative shows that it's a very small number. Now, if we want to convert from scientific notation to standard, we move the decimal right if the exponent is positive and left if it is negative. So here we have 3.1 times 10 to the 3. So this is the one that students struggle with most. Sometimes you kind of just have to guess and check here, but 3.1 times 10 to the 3 is 3,100. And then if we want to check, we can just convert it back to scientific notation. And the decimal is going to be here, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. And that is in fact three spots moved, so that would make sense with the exponent. And then for 2.6 times 10 to the negative 2, our answer would be 0.026. And then when we go back to check, we move our decimal over 1, 2, and we would get 2.6 times 10 to the negative 2. So some real-world applications for this is you'll see scientific notation in fields like astronomy, so like distances between planets because the distances are just so big. You'll see it in chemistry for atomic sizes or even Avogadro's number, and engineering for very small tolerances or large voltages. I hope this video helped. Thank you.